Good evening, everybody. I'm Brent Musburger. Welcome to Game 6 of our NBA World Championship Series. We've had a little bit of everything. Stars suspended, coaches fired, and now a superstar injured. Quickly, the status on Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. He is back in Los Angeles. He did not make the trip. The swelling has gone down in the ankle. The Lakers will not make a decision until just before Game 7, if a Game 7 is needed on Sunday, as to whether or not Kareem will play. But if you want to speculate that 33 will never miss a 7th game if it gets back to the Forum, that's okay with me, because I think he will be playing. What does it mean as far as the Lakers are concerned tonight? A young man by the name of Magic Johnson is going to start at center. All right, thank you very much. Russ, what about it now with Julius moving in to take on Magic Johnson?
Well, this is a distortion for both teams. I think the pressure is on Philadelphia because they have to play this team. In other words, you can talk about Kareem in or out. It doesn't make any difference. He's not here. They've got to beat this Laker team that they put on the floor. Now, putting Magic Johnson at center is going to create some problems. What kind of problems? We'll have to wait and see. But they're going to take some adjustments on both teams. And how well Philadelphia adjusts to beating this team is what's going to count. The Lakers have got it pretty easy in that they got nothing to lose.
Earlier today, everyone was saying, really, that the Lakers didn't have a chance without Kareem, but you're not so sure about that.
Well, you see, if the 76ers don't play this team and make the changes that are necessary and exploit this team on the floor, the Lakers have a great chance of winning because they got, as I said, they got nothing to lose. They're going to be loose, and they got a much quicker team than they had before. This is a very fast basketball team, and height can sometimes be overcome by speed.
All right, let's go to Magic now with Hot Rod Huntley. Hot Rod.
All right, Brent, Magic, without the big fella here, you're going to have to really go to the boards, and you had 15 the last game.
Yeah, I'm going to have to really take up a lot of slack that without him in the middle, it's going to be a real job for me, Jim Jones, and Jamal Wilkes.
How about guarding Julius Erving? I understand you're going to play him.
Well, I'm going to do my best whoever I play. I'm ready, and I know my teammates are too.
Are you going to play center on offense in this game?
Yeah, I will be changing from center to forward.